Power flashes, David. Power flashes. Power flashes, David. You guys need to come to us. We got power flashes. Come to me now at Sky News 9. That's right, David. We had several power flashes as it crossed Rock Creek Road there. You see, there's another one right there. You can see the cars right there. Now you see another power flash to the north of where that is. So there's some heavy circulation going on in there. That's Rock Creek Road you're seeing right there with the car lights. To the left center of your screen, you can see the power flashes going on right now. You can see the tornadoes tracking north of Rock Creek Road right now. A huge power flash right there. It is on the ground again, David. It is moving towards the Moore area at this time. Like I said, I just passed Rock Creek. I'm east of Max Westheimer Airport. Look at it again. I'm just reliving this all over again from just not too long ago. This is just incredible that this is going on again, David. Zoom in tighter, zoom in tighter. Right there. Okay, David, do you have me? We are looking at West Tecumseh Road. West Tecumseh. You can see it right now, but it is standing straight up. There it is on the ground, David. Yeah, he's trying, David. We're kind of far away, and he's trying everything he can. It's kind of bright. Let me get around this thing. It's really turning into a stovepipe tornado here. Now, I'm going to lose off air in a minute, so I'm going to have to call you on an alternate source here in just a second. But again, you're seeing it live from Bob Mills, Sky News 9. It is on the ground. I'm trying to work my way towards it, but it may have dissipated. No, it's still on the ground. No, we got debris in the air. You can see the debris in the air right there. I believe that's just trees right now, David. I believe that's just trees right now because it's in a very rural area. So as we come around here, for a minute there, it was what we got behind us here. Oh, we just had this one drop out right now. Go down the ground. Go down the ground. Okay, we got one on the ground, David. There it is. There it is. There it is. Yep. Boy, it's getting close. That may be on the ground. David, we may have something on the ground here. Yeah, David, this is back from the original one where we're back over 44 and 4 here, shooting back to the northwest. I believe this is on the ground. Yeah, there it is, David. I can barely make it out, but it is on the ground. It's another one of those small tornadoes that are touching down. It is on the ground. You can see it right there, live from Bob Mills, Sky News 9. Now this is going to be, I'm over 4 and 44, shooting back to the north-northwest. Now this may generate into a big tornado here, David. Again, you can see it right there. It's on the ground. I just can't believe this. This is down southwest of the one we just had moments ago. So again, like I said earlier, David, all along this line, there's possibilities of it dropping tornadoes out right now. Now I don't think it's, yeah, we got debris. We got debris in the air. You can see it. Oh, there it is. It's ripping through some debris there, some homes. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this.